Hoover Mayor Nick Derzis delivered his first State of the City address today at the Renaissance Hotel. ABC 3340's Faye Fox was there, and she shares the mayor's vision for Hoover's future. Faye?
Muriel, during the event, Mayor Derzis highlighted his 80 days in office and says that he's assembled a team that is focused on the city of Hoover's future. Former police chief of Hoover, now mayor, Nick Derzis, is beginning his first term in office, stressing that progress starts with teamwork.
Right now, I'm very, very pleased that the city council is working hand in hand with me, and it's a team. As a police officer for 40-something years, police chief for 20, I built the team, and that's what it is. You can't do things by yourself.
Mayor Derzis outlined several goals for his term, with economic development at the top of his list, focusing on areas such as the Galleria and Patton Creek.
The biggest goal is our economic development. We're going to make things happen. We're not sitting back. We've been too stagnant for too many years, and it's time that Hoover, being the 6th largest city in the state of Alabama, that we take the leadership role that we should have in the Birmingham metro area.
Derzis also emphasized increasing funding for Hoover City schools.
We calculate this year will be probably about $850,000 more towards the school system.
And public safety remains another top priority, with Hoover Chief of Police Clay Morris explaining what that investment will look like.
Once we get our budget set, which we're working on that, we're going to invest in our people, our equipment. Our equipment needs updating significantly, our vehicles, and then we're going to look at our processes and technology. Those are the ways that we can continue to keep our crime stats very low and our crime rates very low.
Mayor Derzis says that once the budget is approved for the city of Hoover, he's ready to turn his goals into action. Live in Hoover, Faye Fox, ABC 3340 News.